What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best wheel bearing hub assembly on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. TRQ front left and right wheel bearing. Here's a 300-word explanation of the quality and benefits of a TRQ wheel bearing and hub assembly, front left and right, and why many people choose it, based on product information and user feedback from multiple sources. Brand: TRQ. Using a TRQ front left and right wheel bearing and hub assembly as a replacement for your worn-out wheel hub assembly offers several important benefits if you're looking for a strong balance of performance, cost-effectiveness, and convenience. Material: alloy steel. First, TRQ assemblies are engineered to be direct replacements for factory parts. They are pre-assembled with bearings, hub, studs, and often ABS sensors included, which means they bolt on without the need to press individual components together. This dramatically simplifies installation and can save time and workshop costs, a huge advantage if you're doing the work yourself or want a quick fix without machining. Item dimensions: LXWXH, 7x 6 inches. Another strong benefit is value for money. TRQ parts are typically priced significantly lower than original equipment manufacturer, OEM, components, or premium brands, yet they still aim to meet or exceed basic industry quality standards. Many users report that the assemblies fit well, run smoothly, and restore handling and ride quality, often eliminating wheel noise and vibration after installation. Item weight: 5.78 kilograms. The inclusion of a built-in ABS sensor on many models is also useful because it ensures proper wheel speed monitoring, which is crucial for safety systems like anti-lock brakes and stability control. For many buyers, the combination of durability, ease of installation, and cost savings makes TRQ hub assemblies a sensible choice, especially for vehicles that need reliable replacement parts without premium pricing. Bearing number: H590-648. However, it's worth noting that quality feedback can be mixed depending on the specific vehicle application and manufacturer batch, and on rare occasions, some users have reported fitment or longevity issues. Number 2. A Premium 2X rear wheel bearing. The A Premium 2X rear wheel bearing and hub assembly is a complete, pre-assembled unit designed to replace worn or failing rear wheel bearings and hubs. Instead of installing a separate bearing, hub, studs, and seals, this all-in-one assembly comes ready to fit, which saves time and simplifies installation. This is especially helpful for DIY mechanics and professional installers alike, because there's no need for pressing bearings in and out or specialized tools. Brand: A Premium. Quality and construction are among the standout features. The assembly uses high-strength steel alloys engineered to handle radial and axial loads that occur during braking, turning, and normal driving. These durable materials help ensure that the hub assembly withstands daily stresses and lasts longer than components that are rebuilt piece by piece. The sealed design also means the internal bearings are protected from dirt, moisture, and debris, which can significantly reduce premature wear. Material: GCR15 steel and 65mm steel. Installing new wheel hub assemblies often results in noticeable improvements in driving quality. Many vehicle owners experience the elimination of grinding or humming noises, wheel vibration, and steering feedback issues that typically stem from worn rear bearings. Once replaced, your vehicle's rear wheels rotate more smoothly, which improves handling stability, ride comfort, and overall safety under braking. Item weight: 7.82 kilograms. Another good reason to choose this A Premium assembly is its value for money. It provides a cost-effective alternative to OEM parts, offering similar fitment and performance without premium pricing. Many units also come with a manufacturer's warranty, giving added confidence in the product's reliability. Bearing number: 512,401. In summary, the A Premium 2X rear wheel bearing and hub assembly delivers solid build quality, easier installation, improved driving feel, protection against wear, and excellent value, making it a smart choice when replacing worn rear wheel bearings and hubs. Number 3. TRQ front left and right wheel bearing. The TRQ front left and right wheel bearing and hub assembly is a complete, pre-assembled replacement unit designed to restore proper wheel rotation and vehicle handling. One of the strongest advantages of TRQ assemblies is their direct fit design. Because the bearing and hub come bonded together from the factory, you don't have to press bearings in and out, a task that otherwise requires special tools and time. This simplifies installation and reduces labor costs, whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic. Brand TRQ. In terms of quality, TRQ parts are engineered to meet or exceed standard aftermarket specifications. The internal bearings are pre-greased and sealed to protect against dust, moisture, and road debris, factors that accelerate wear. This protective sealing helps ensure consistent performance and a longer service life compared with bearings that are exposed or installed separately. The machined hub and bearing surfaces are built to match original equipment tolerances, which helps maintain proper wheel alignment, stable handling, and smooth rotation at highway speeds. Material: alloy steel. A major benefit of using TRQ assemblies is noise and vibration elimination. Worn bearings commonly produce humming, growling, or grinding noises and can cause steering wheel vibration. By installing a quality TRQ unit, these symptoms are often resolved, resulting in quieter, smoother, and more confident driving. Item dimensions: LXWXH, 10x20x 8 inches. Another positive point is value for money. TRQ components are usually more affordable than many original equipment, OEM, or premium aftermarket brands, making them an appealing option for owners who want reliable performance without paying premium prices. Item weight: 9.96 kilograms. In summary, the TRQ front left and right wheel bearing and hub assembly offers easy installation, dependable performance, noise reduction, and excellent value, making it a practical choice for replacing worn front wheel bearings. Number 4. TRQ front driver and passenger side wheel bearing. The TRQ front driver and passenger side wheel bearing and hub assembly is a complete, direct fit replacement unit designed to take the place of worn or noisy front wheel bearings and hubs. One of the biggest advantages of this type of assembly is that it arrives pre-assembled, combining the bearing, hub, studs, and seals into one ready-to-install component, which simplifies installation and can save both time and labor costs compared with rebuilding separate parts from scratch. Brand TRQ. In terms of quality, TRQ products are engineered to meet standard automotive specifications and are often praised for offering a good fit and smooth operation once installed. Many users report that the bearings fit as expected without excessive modification and that they restore quiet wheel rotation, especially when replacing old, worn-out hubs. Because they are designed to match original equipment OE dimensions, the assemblies typically help maintain proper wheel alignment and dependable handling. Material: alloy steel. A key benefit of choosing TRQ is value for money. These assemblies are usually more affordable than OEM or premium aftermarket brands, making them appealing for budget-conscious repairs or for older vehicles where keeping maintenance costs down is a priority. Additionally, they often include features like ABS tone rings built into the hub, so you retain proper sensor function without buying separate parts. Item dimensions: LXWXH, 6x6x 4 inches. Another positive point is that many buyers find TRQ assemblies provide noticeable improvements in ride comfort by eliminating wheel noise, vibration, and steering feedback caused by failing bearings. Bearing number: BH53539. In summary, the TRQ front wheel bearing and hub assembly is a practical, cost-effective solution for replacing worn front wheel bearings. It offers good fitment, ready-to-install convenience, budget-friendly pricing, and generally smooth operation, making it a solid choice for everyday driving needs when you want reliable performance without the premium price of OEM parts. Number 5. TRQ front left and right wheel bearing. The TRQ front left and right wheel bearing and hub assembly is an aftermarket, direct fit replacement unit that combines the wheel bearing, hub, studs, and seals into one complete assembly. One of its most appreciated good points is its ease of installation, because it comes pre-assembled. There's no need to press bearings into a separate hub, which simplifies the job and often saves labor time and cost whether you're doing the work yourself or at a shop. Brand TRQ. A major quality highlight for many users is that TRQ assemblies often fit well to OEM specifications, meaning they bolt on without excessive modification and restore proper wheel alignment and rotation. Many drivers report a smoother, quieter ride once the old bearings are replaced, with reduced noises or vibrations that worn bearings commonly cause. Material: acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, ABS. Another strong benefit is value for money. TRQ parts are typically priced lower than many original equipment manufacturer, OEM, and premium aftermarket brands, making them an attractive option if you're looking to keep costs down without sacrificing basic functionality. For drivers on older vehicles or those not seeking premium performance, this cost savings can make repairs much more affordable. Item weight: 12.11 kilograms. TRQ assemblies are also often durable and reliable for regular driving conditions. Many customers describe them as durable and smooth turning, with a generally positive experience over thousands of miles when installed correctly. Bearing number: TRQ2. However, it's important to note that quality and longevity can vary by batch and vehicle application, so fitment checks are essential before purchase. Despite this, considering price, convenience, and performance, many drivers choose TRQ assemblies as a practical, cost-effective solution for replacing worn front wheel bearings.